So, meron akong handstand. So, this is really good because I feel like nahihirapan ako pag inaano ko yung kanya kong phone. So, salamat kay mama, binili niya. Share para kami nito, guys. Yan, ginawa ko itong video kasi meron akong slime tail wiki. Isa kay Nicole, isa sa akin. Meron akong cuchillo or knife in English. And then we have this. Like this. I don't know what this is called. Can you please write it in my videos? Okay, so here's the table, of course, because I don't want to like kasi guys, Filipino challenge. Okay.
Para mag-ano muna ako post.
So let me guess. Because guys, you can see the hands. So I think this is where the camera is. Yep, this camera. So here's some slime. Here's the slime and here's the. First we need to put that in there. Okay, let's see. Check the slime. I think how. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Yellow and green, guys. This is yellow and that's green. This is so cool. I'll do the no. This is so cool. I thought it's just one color, so I picked two. But it's actually not one color. I can mix it if I want, but I don't want to mix it. So this is what the color looks like for the yellow or the lime. This is so awesome. It's so soft. It's like sticky, but if you put your hand on it, it's not sticky at all. But look, the slime has two colors. No! My bid. Oh, there you go. That like that. So here's the slime. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to mix.
Kaya siguro kanina pa ako kinakabahan.
But actually the green is super cool. Okay, now let's check the green one with this knife. So let's do it. Now let's put that there. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, it's from China. It's from China. Is that China or Japanese? I know Japanese speak English. I don't know. It has some glitter. This is so cool. It has some glitter in the bottom. So I think I'm gonna mix the glitter. Gonna mix the glitter. Whee! I think that's enough. Oops. Might fall. So let's put it back. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's like mixing together, but it's not actual mixing.
Nawala na yung mga account ko. Nawala na sa akin. Nadali na.
Mom, make a new account. So that's actually cool. That's explain why it says rainbow. Because this one is... Oh yeah, I can print Nicole with the skull. I brought some green slime, but it's actually yellow. That's so cool. Okay, the other one I think it's... Yeah, I think that's... I don't know. The camera is like same color, but if you actually check on it, in real life, it's actually like lime and green. Yeah, the slime. Oh my god, it has bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna check the green first, and I'll mix the glitter. Yeah, the glitter is underneath. I'm gonna... Oh my god, that almost got into my hair. Yes. Oh my god. Guys, can you answer my question right here? Can kids be on live on YouTube?
Patingin niya ako niya number mo.
Can kids be live? Live? Like live?
Ayun, teka lang, yung isa kong ano. Pera mo ako ha. I-insert ko yung SIM card ko isa para mga daddy ko.
My mom's account got hacked. And it's in Facebook, so yeah. She's really getting on there. Oh my god, it's so sticky. So I got to. It's like, oh, that's so cool. Anyways, I'm gonna do a shout out maybe tomorrow or even later at this video, cause like I know my first shout out, guys, is in my post if you want to see it. So this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification. Anyways, wait. Look at what. This is so cute. Like it's a bunny film. It's so soft. Like this part is so soft, and this, and this. It's the underneath, but it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh my god, I love it. It's so soft. This is what it looks like. I'm holding my hand. Okay. So please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos like this one. Bye. Like and subs and comment as well. Thanks. And hit that share button.